Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to ABC Show Learning channel. Today we learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name. Blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, yellow color, green color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids, now we draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. And use yellow color. The alphabets of B. Kids, now you just C. C is for cat. C is for car. And use black color. The alphabets of C. Kids, neither D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use red color. Kids, neither E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, now I draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. O-N-E-1. Kids, now I draw 2. The numbers of 2. And use yellow color. T-W-2. Kids, now I draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use black color. T-H-R-W-3. Kids, now I draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use red color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now I draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow ochre color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now I draw shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square. And use blue color. Kids, now I draw circle. The shape of circle. And use yellow color. The shape of circle. Kids, now I draw triangle. The shape of triangle. And use black color. The shape of triangle. Kids, now I draw heart. The shape of heart. And use red color. Kids night draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.